Hi, welcome back, guys. So, I'd like to show you the functionality of our billing and invoicing. So, this is the last piece in our street to invoice process. So, in the street to invoice process, we talked about customer acquisition and management. We talked about how you can set up solar sites and solar gardens in our platform. And finally, once both of those are set up and subscriptions are created, how you can perform billing in our particular platform. To perform billing, we have this option right here under billing and payment management, which is billing management. So if I click on billing management, it takes me to our billing management or billing tracker page, where you'll get a list of all the bills, pending bills, paid bills, or the bills that were sent out listed right here. So by default, it will always show you 1 month prior, because billing is usually done 1 month prior. So as of right now, we are standing in February of 2024, so it's showing me for January of 2024 that these are the bills that are still pending and they still need to be sent out. So you can change any period right here and select different months, or you can select multiple months to see the data for any specific month. So I'm showing you one data for a particular month right now. So before I explain to you what's happening on this page, so there are a lot of things that are happening in the background that cannot be displayed on a page. So let me walk you through how this process works. So let's say when you configured a garden and you wanted it to do billing and invoicing, and it was set up, let's say, for a monthly billing. So our system in the backend has the capability of scheduling billing for you, so that, let's say, on the first of every month, our system will automatically pick up the power produced data from the integrated site and do billing on that. Or let's say if that billing depends upon utility credit that needed to be received from your utility company, we can either integrate with the utility company, or if that utility company doesn't provide integrations, we have other method like CSV uploads and manually add, where you can come in and add those utility credits and our system will perform billing on that. Now this automated process, what gives you is, we can fetch the data from source, apply the billing logic that we agree beforehand, and generate those invoices for you and show them right here. Our system does have the capability of just finalizing those invoices and send them out directly to your customers whenever they are done. But let's say in most cases, people like to review an invoice before it is sent out to the actual customer. So right here on this page, you see there are a lot of different calculated, there is a status called calculated, and there are a lot of different invoices pending right here, and there is one invoice which is showing a specific error. So if I go to the error page and I hover over it, so it gives me the accurate, the exact issue why this particular bill hasn't been generated. So it's telling me that it has tried for 5 times to generate this bill, but there is no power generation. That means either the utility credits or the MPA data for this particular subscription is not available. Hence, the data or the bill cannot be generated. But all for the rest of them, the bill is successfully generated and you'll be able to see the amount. But let's say if you want to make any last minute adjustments or provide discounts, you can come right here, click on this account option to just select discount and adjustment and provide those adjustments into the system, but just by providing value and the reason. Let's say if you want to perform this in a bulk manner, so you can come in and select multiple options, and under bulk options you can come in and provide these discounts and adjustments as well. Let's say you have viewed this entire case and you're satisfied and you want to send this out. Our system has the capability of giving you a preview of any invoice before it sends out. So if I click on this invoice preview, so this will show us an example of an invoice, as in this instance it's being displayed. So this is one example of a template that we use. So a customized template can also be built based on your needs. So on this particular template, you see the bill details, amounts, and everything that needs to be sent out. We have the capability of downloading this invoice in a PDF form if you want to use the old-fashioned way of sending it to your customers using mail or anything like that. But let's say if you're satisfied, you can either click to publish this invoice and send it directly to the customer, or you can again do this at bulk form and our system will ultimately send these invoices out to the customer. Now once that invoice is sent out to the customer, our system in return can come in and collect payment against those invoices, which for the customers who want to do credit debit card payment. As we are PCI compliance, we do accept credit debit card payments. We are integrated with a third party that helps us to collect those payments and deposit the collected amount directly into your bank accounts. So we have the capability. There is also a customer side portal where your customers can log in, see these invoices, these details, and choose to pay them from there in time as well. So again, this is a very high level overview of our billing module and the capability that we have. So again, this is one way of showing you the example and the flexibility our system has, but that depending upon how your billing cycle works, how your billing logics work, we can configure this module to serve your business need or your use case as you guys see fit. So thank you guys.